Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great. Starting from today, for next upcoming few videos, we are going to see different Stream API coding questions. Generally, these questions will help you to clear certain part of your interview, Java developer interview. So nowadays, we can observe Java developer interviews are incomplete without having a question on Stream API. So keeping that into the mind, so I'm creating this series of videos where I'm going to cover a lot of key concepts from the Stream API, and without further delay, let's get into the today's video. This is my project Stream API coding questions, and I have a package. I'm going to create a one class called employee. This employee class going to hold different properties. Okay, we can see here employee ID, employee name, employee age, gender, department, date of join, and salary. Let's generate getters and setters followed by the parameterized constructor. Great. Now let's generate the getters and setters. Yes, you can see we have it. And finally, let's have a toString method, which will help us to know the result in some places. Great. In this employee class, now we have a parameterized constructor and followed by getter setters and toString. Yeah, we are pretty much good with this one. Let's have a main class now. Yeah. So this is my main class. I'm going to have a main method here. Okay, first I need to create a data, right, for this employee class. For that, I'm going to have these things: list employee. Let me import list from Java util package. Employees is equals to new array list. Okay, let me have this data there. Let it called as employee list. Okay, super. So now we have a data. Let's start going from the questions. So our question number one. Okay, I prepared this set of questions already. This is our question. If we see here, so in this question, what they are asking us is like how many male and female employees are there in the organization. Okay, so this all employees are belongs to one organization, assume. So if that is the case, so how many male and female? So let's see manually how many male and female. So the first employee is female, male, 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 female, male. So we have two different kinds of employees, right? The employee either male or else female. So how we can solve this one? Let's see. Employee list dot free. Okay. So the thing here is like I need to know the count of employees, right? Male employees and female employees. So for that there is a method called grouping by. Okay, which is a part of collectors class. Let me go through by it. Collector collectors dot grouping by. So this grouping by has a different method overloaded methods. Okay, So in the grouping by, so the first thing can be on what basis you have to group. Okay, this grouping by is nothing but a group class, group by class in SQL. Okay, so here it is going to group the objects based on the property. Okay, so what is our property here? Our property is going to be gender, right? So based on the gender it is going to group the object. So let's give the same employee colon, you can see here gender. Okay, so it's good. Okay, it is going to do group by the gender, but the thing here is I would like to know the count also, right? So for that what I can do, I can simply have collectors dot count. Okay, so this one will return the count. So this group by is, if you see here, this group by from the collector class is going to return your map. Okay, so you need to store that in a map. So our map is going to be string followed by integer, right? The first string is nothing but the gender, integer is nothing but its count, right? So first let's import this map, string followed by integer. Okay, map is equals to, yeah, yeah, it's going to be long. Okay, yeah, we are pretty much done with this. So let's try to print the output. System dot out dot println just number of male and female employees. Just print the map. Let's see what it's going to print. I'm just running this my main method. It is building the project. Just give me a few seconds. Okay, so now if you carefully observe, so we got a male as 11, female as 6. Let's cross verify manually. Okay, female 1, male 1, male 2, male 3, female 2, male 4, male 5, male 6, female 3, male 7, female 4, male 8, female 5, male 9, male 10, female 6, male 11. Great. So we got a expected output, right? So this is all about our first question. So let me go into the second question. Question number 2. This is nothing but like we need to print all the unique department names in the organization. Okay, let me zoom it. So if you carefully see, what are the different departments we have? One is HR, sales and marketing, infrastructure, product development, security and transport, and what else we have? Accountant, finance, product development, right? So we need to display the unique departments. Okay, so for that what we can do, let's see. Employee list dot stream dot, so there is a intermediate method of stream called map. Okay, generally which will help us to transform stream x to stream y. Okay, so here I need to get only department names, right? So this is the perfect fit for this requirement. Okay, employee dot get department, and I just need to collect it, right? As I said, inside the collect, just use collectors dot to set method. That's all. Okay, So since it is going to return a set, let's store it in a set. So departments are going to be string, department names are going to be string, so I'm taking the string set. Import class. Great. So I'm done. Let's try to print it. System.out.println this unique department names. Okay, let me run it. Great. If we carefully observe, what is our output? Product development, sales and marketing, security transport, infrastructure, HR, accountant finance. Right? So these are the only 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the only 6 unique departments we have in our organization. Right? So generally map is a best fit in this case, like when you have some stream X and you want to convert that into the stream Y. Okay, so in this type of scenarios I prefer always go with the map. Okay, let's go with the next question, question number 3. So what is this question? Yeah, this question is all about get the details of highest paid employee in the organization. Okay, so let's see manually who is getting the highest paid. So if we carefully observe 25,000, 13,500, 18,000, 32,000, 22,700, 10,500, 27, 34, 11, 11, 15, 28, 28, 21, 10, 12, 28, 35. Yes, 35 is the highest one, right? Do you have any highest employee getting more salary? No. Yeah. So let's see how we can solve this one. So employee list dot stream, and here the thing here is I need to get the complete employee details of the highest salary, highest paid employee, right? So for that, what I can do? Collect employee list dot stream. So here I need to go with collect. Okay, under here, or else I can go with collectors dot collect of collectors dot. There is a method called max by. Okay, so which will take a comparator as a parameter and it will return the result based on that comparator. Okay, so in the max by, so just do one thing, comparator dot comparing. Okay, comparing on what basis? You need to compare based on what? Employee salary, right? Employee, yeah, it is going to be comparing double because our salary is double. So let's see, I think we have comparing double. So here it is going to be salary. Yep, salary, we got it. So once we done, we need to store that in a employee object, right? So let me take an optional of employee emp is equals to, yeah, that's all. So what this code is going to do, so it is going to compare the complete list of employees based on the employee salary, and it is going to get the maximum one. Okay, that's all it is doing. So let me print it. System.out.println highest paid employee. Okay, Okay, just print emp. So since we have a toString method there, we no need to worry about the printing format. Okay, it is going to print everything. Yep, you can see here it printed employee 217 Anuj Chettiar. So that is what we saw here, right? Anuj Chettiar. So he's the one who is getting the highest salary in organization. Yeah, I hope you are good with this question. Let me go to the next question. Question number 4. Get the names of all employees who joined after 2015. Great. Yeah. So let's see manually who joined after 2015. Okay, he joined in 2011, 15, 12, 14, 13, 16, 16, 16. Yeah, right. So 3 people. We need to get the names only, okay, of those who joined. So I think you can imagine here what we are going to use. We are going to use map again here, okay, because like you are need to get the names. So here also we have a requirement to get the department names, right? So map is going to plays a vital role in solving this problem. Okay, let's see. Employee list dot so without, I mean, before going to map, so you can see we have a constraint here, like we need to get the names of employees who joined after 2015. That means like we need a filter functionality, right? We need to know like who joined after 2015. For that we have a filter, which is an intermediate operation in stream. So you can simply do something like employee dot get date of join. You can see get date of join greater than 2015. Okay, so this filter is going to give the list of employees who joined after 2015 only. And once you get the employee details who joined after 2000, just take his name, okay, using the map as I said. So you can get something like this also, employee dot get name also. Okay, and we need to just collect it as a list. Okay, collect collectors dot to list. Okay, yeah, let's give a different name. Okay, since we have employee already. So list of, this is going to be string, right? Because we are going to store only employee names here. Emp names is equals to great. Yeah, let's see how output will look like. Println employee names who joined after 2015. Employee names. Great. We are done with this fourth question also. Let me run it. Yeah, you can see here we got Iqbal Hussain, Amelia, Joy, Nitin, Nicholas, Ali. Let's see whether this output is correct or else not. The first is 2016 Iqbal Hussain, it's correct. And then 2016 we have Amelia Joy, it's also correct. Then we have 2016 again Nitin Joshi, this is also correct. Then we have 2017 who is Nicholas Dan, which is also correct. And then we have 2018 who is Alibi. Okay, so we got a correct output. Yeah, we are pretty much done with this question, and now we are going to solve our final question of this video. Yeah, what this question is all about. So we need to find the employee who has the most working experience in organization. So how you can determine in generally? So the one who joined early, okay, is going to have an most experience, right? Let's assume there are total 4 employees, okay, employee 1, employee 2, employee 3, employee 4. Employee 1 joined in 2011, employee 2 joined in 2006, employee 3 joined in 2018, employee 4 joined in 2022. So how you can determine who has most experience? Based on the year in which they joined, right? So here employee 2 joined in 2006, that means he is going to have the most working experience, right? So that is how we are going to solve this problem in the same approach. Employee list dot stream dot. So if you see here, previously when we want to, what I can say, print the max highest paid salary, what we did, we went through the max pay, right? So now instead of salary, now it is going to be date of join, right? So let's see how it is going to look like. So collectors dot min by, okay. So min by what? Comparing int, because like our date of join is integer here. If you go to employee class, so our date of join is int, so that's why here it is int, okay. On what basis? You need to compare on the basis of date of join, right? Sorry. So now this is going to return as an employee object. Let's grab it. Optional employee emp most exp, okay. Yeah, we are done with this one. So let me print it out. System.out.println most exp employee, okay. emp. Before that, let's see manually who is going to be our output, okay. If you see, this guy joined in 2011, 2015, 2012, 2014, 13, 16, 10, 15, 16, 15, 14, 16, 13, 17, 18, 15, 12. I think 2010 we saw somewhere, right? Yeah, I think Manu Sharma, okay, who joined in the early of the career. Okay, so let's see. Great, we got the same output, Manu Sharma, because he is the one who joined too early compared to other employees, right? So he's going to have the most experience in the organization. So I hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe, and I'm planning for next few series on this Stream API, where I'm going to cover few more important coding questions.